Hey everyone, welcome back to today. We're diving into a topic that affects us all, how to stop wasting time and start being more productive. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or anyone trying to get things done, these tips will help you stay focused and efficient. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1, set clear goals. Scene. You writing on a whiteboard or notebook, you engaging first things first, set clear goals. Whether it's for the day, week, or month, having specific objectives gives your day structure and purpose. This helps you prioritize tasks and avoid getting sidetracked. Tip number 2, plan your day. Scene. You planning out your day on a calendar or planner. You enthusiastic next. Plan your day ahead of time. Take a few minutes in the morning or the night before to outline what you need to accomplish. This minimizes decision fatigue and keeps you on track throughout the day. Tip number 3, eliminate distraction. Scene. You turning off notifications on your phone or closing unnecessary tabs. 𝗧𝗜𝗣𝗦 just in case ignoring are productivity killers. Identify your biggest distractions, whether it's social media, emails, or noisy environments, and find ways to minimize or eliminate them during focused work periods. Tip number 4, practice time blocking. You using a timer or calendar app for time blocking. Inspirational team blocking is a game changer. Allocate specific time slots for different tasks or projects. This method helps you stay disciplined and ensures you allocate enough time for each task without overworking yourself. Tip number 5, take breaks. Scene. You taking a short break, stretching, or going for a walk. You relatable. Remember to take breaks. Working non-stop can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. Schedule short breaks throughout your day to recharge and come back refreshed. Tip number 6, evaluate and adjust. Scene. You reviewing your progress and making adjustments. 𝗧𝗜𝗍𝗦𝗧𝗜𝗍. Regularly evaluate your productivity habits. Identify what's working well and what isn't, then make adjustments accordingly. This continuous improvement mindset helps you optimize your workflow over time. Closing. Scene. You back in your workspace, wrapping up. You positive. And there you have it, 6 practical tips to stop wasting time and boost your productivity. Which tip resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more productivity tips and content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay focused and keep crushing those goals.